finally bit the bullet and actually spent just a smidge over $100 after tax on the shifters from my FJ. I went with this company here, and I'll give you guys, like always, kind of a still photo off of Amazon of who the manufacturer is, how much, and of course buying it from Amazon, what the part number is. But what I really like about it is the little inserts when you're done and you put these on. So you tighten all down first, then you go ahead and you put these on. Well, they're engraved. They're not like some folks that have been misled by companies that show this one here, but then when they get them, they're actually painted on, which is really kind of lame. They only give you these nuts here to go ahead and we'll show you how to put those on and what they're for. But to keep them from coming off after you tighten them up, I like to use thread locker. Just low strength, not high strength. It's not something that's really important. I just don't want them to vibrate loose. So let's go ahead and get these on the FJ, and let's see how they come out. First things first. Now apparently these just unscrew, so let's give it a go. Yep, that's easy enough. Of course, I'll have to keep these. It's in mint shape. I'll probably go ahead and condition these and then put them in the box that I guess just got the new ones from. And then this one's the same thing. It just unscrews. Cool. So let's go ahead and get the new ones and get those on along with the thread locker and everything else. Alright, so we've already got the thread locker on there. That one there. And this one here. And we can go ahead and screw these on. So I'll basically hold this on without loosening up. And then of course when I put the nut on that it came with the thread locker, that won't loosen up with vibration and stuff either. Okay. Alright, get the nut here. Let's go ahead and get that on. $14mm on this one. Not too tight, but snug. And let's go ahead and get the other one on. The short one. Bigger hole. I guess you can leave this for whatever depth that you want. Let's have a look at that. Now, how far do I want that to go down? Guess right about there will work. So they're both the same depth on the inside. In fact, they're identical. So I can go ahead and tighten this one down just a bit more if I want to. Right about there. I think this one here will add just a smidge more thread locker. There we go. Okay, that's pretty much tight enough there. Just do a test fit. This one's a little bit different the way that sits versus this one here. So I'm going to go ahead and give those a snug up. I was a little concerned about how they look. I just didn't want them to be chrome polish finish, you know, where it's too shiny. But it's kind of a brush finish, and it kind of goes with this and the handles, and of course on the doors I do have these polished stainless steel door rings to kind of adjust the speakers up a little bit. So I think that's going to be good. So I went ahead and cleaned these off already with alcohol. I'm going to go put the double-sided tape on the discs and then get those in after I make sure these are the tightness that I want. Anyway, stand by and we'll see what the finished product looks like. You guys probably know this, but when you get these, basically just clean the back off with alcohol on this too, to make sure there's no grease, maybe from the people's fingers at the factory or whatever. And then of course what I need to do is start the vehicle, place this up in the middle so I can get a good target as far as lining it up. But I think this is going to end up looking pretty nice. So let me go ahead and get it started. Alright, so we got the vehicle started. I'll make sure I'm right in the middle when I go ahead and place this disc in. And just do my best with this, since there really is no upright position. Also, as far as the emergency brake, if you guys don't use it, basically it gets all gummed up in here somehow. So what I do is about once every few months, I just put some WD-40 down in this and leave it in this position so it can work its way through. And that way it works. Otherwise, it's really stiff, and this button stays in and it doesn't engage. So if you don't use your emergency brake, which I really don't most of the time, I leave it in park, just go ahead and exercise this thing once in a while. But like I said, WD-40 down in there works really well. So I'm not going to bore you with me putting the discs on. I'll go ahead and put them on and let you see what it looks like in the finished product. Alright, I really like them. It does break up, you know, that sea of black and gray that you guys have in the FJ, which is cool. But it's nice to go ahead and break it up. That's kind of why I did these knobs a while back. I didn't want the silver and I didn't want the black in there. However, this company that I have on another video, you can order those any color you want, even silver if you want it. And you can have it, you can make them match the paint that's on your vehicle and everything. But again, that's a different video that I have. So this is basically it. Again, that's engraved. Looks really nice and finished. I didn't think it would look this nice, but I'm really kind of thrilled the way this came out. Yeah, that's from a Tundra I had. I just used Velcro to hold that on. Anyway, that's it, guys. Like I said, I finally bit the bullet and bought these things. And again, for the amount of money that you spend, a little over $100 after tax. We used to get tax-free down here until Florida just changed its tax laws when you order. But it's really nice. I like the way it's finished off, and it does break up all the darkness that was here. I haven't done a whole lot, like I said, as far as that goes, but leaving these rings that you can't find anymore. They stopped making those. Again, the ones around the doors. And the knobs, again, you can buy those. That's on another video, like I said. So that's about it. That's the FJ, guys. I'll go ahead and get this on YouTube so you can have a look. And again, it's completely up to you if you want to do this to yours, but this company is true to form. When they show you that it's engraved, it is engraved. It's not painted on. And the fit and finish is really nice, and they're really sturdy. So that's it. We'll see you guys on another video soon.